In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage events on your website. So once you've logged in, you'll notice there's an Events tab up here, and you can also see that when you're previewing your website. So this website, we can edit any of the pages here, but we can head into events and we can edit events or add event. So let's add an event. We'll obviously have to add a title. We'll add a description here with bullet points, test, test, test. Then we choose the date and time of the event. We can choose a venue, which would give us a map to the address, or we can just go without it. You can choose to show a map or not. You can choose who would be the organizer for the event. You can choose a cost for the event, but on the free version of the event plugin that we're using on many websites, you can't actually handle ticket sales directly. But we can upgrade it to a pro version of this plugin where you can handle ticket sales directly. So having done all that, we can choose an event category or create an event category. Test event. There we go. And we can publish our event. Is there anything else we need here? We can choose an image. So we can either upload an image file or choose one from the library. And then we can save a draft of the event. And we can preview it by clicking here or there. So here's our test event with our description. So not much on this event because we haven't added a location, etc. But it gives you an idea of how to work with events. Now if we were to keep this event, we can publish it. And that will make it visible on the calendar of events on the website. So if we view the calendar, we've got upcoming events, including our test event right here. Now we can also click to edit events. We can see the events that are listed here, and we can do a quick edit or an edit. So edit brings up all the details, quick edit, just a summary. And we can trash an event, which is very suitable right now. So I hope this helps give you an overview of the events plugin and what you can do with it.